Hello everyone, my name is Susanna Kumar and my student ID is 303763666. Today I am here to discuss about the relevance activities undertaken in the lab of the week 9. This week we learned about the ERP project management, post implementations and critical success factor in the ERP implementations and the important components to a successful go live. In the lab we use the SAP uh, Fiori Launchpad in order to explore what we learned during the lectures. And our first task was to display the project. Uh, we- here we are going to be dealing with an existing project named development of the ultralight bike. Here we use the app project builders of the SAP in order to explore the projects. Here we can get the detailed informations along with the classifications of the project for the development of the bicycle by using the 6 WBS element. Here we can also see the different activities and the milestones of the elements. Uh, our second task was to display the WBS element. In order to display the WBS element, we use the app network overview of the SAP. A WBS element either describe a concrete task or the part of the task that can be split further. In this project, structures in the structure descriptions in the left side, where we can see all the WBS element of the selected project with its detailed informations of the activities and the milestones. And our third task was to display the activities. In order to display the activities, we use the app project builders in the SAP Fiori Launchpad, where we can get all the data of the activities such as the duration in days, the work time in hours, and the cost for the activities. And we can also see the different activities maintained in the kind different kinds. And our default task was display the milestones. um, Here, in order to display the milestones, we use the app confirm project milestones of the SAP Fiori Launchpad. Milestones are allocated to the activities or the WBS element of the project and fulfill the tasks for the later processes or steps like progress determinations and the milestones billing in the case of the sales and the distribution project. This app helps us all to see the detailed information of the milestones of the selected projects. And our fifth task was to display the information system structures. Uh, in order to display the project structure, we use the app the structures overview. Using the structure information system, the project structures as well as date, cost, and returns can be validated in these information systems. Not just the display, but the maintenance of the object, including the settings of the dates for the WBS element, is possible. And then our sixth task was to display the actual cost. Uh, Here, in order to display the actual cost, we use the app project cost actual commitment total plan in this your area currency. And we get an overview of the about all the used cost element. These are the structures in IS, open sum, and the plan cost. We can see the cost element and the cost just for this for the selected activities. In this way, we completed our lab tasks in for the week 9, where we can get where we will get all the informations regarding the projects structures and its detailed informations, where we can get all the information such as the cost, activities, and the milestones used in the projects. Thank you.